Hello and welcome to GraphixCalc Sign Estimator 4.0. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to create a template. Templates are really just a great tool for those signs that we do that are kind of your common signs. We all have them: 4x8 banner, interior, exterior, short term, long term, 18 by 24, realty signs, one-sided, two-sided, 4 grommets, etc. Vehicle magnetics. So you don't want to have to go in there and put that information every time. So this is basically what you're going to do. So let's go on ahead and let's create, we'll go on ahead and we'll create a realty sign, okay? And we're going to do it with 2-color vinyl. So we'll go to typical signage. We'll call it 18 by 24. It's inches. It's a typical rigid sign, typical complexity, substrate, coroplast, 0.16. We're going to have 2 colors, so we're going to select tape for 2, second vinyl, and we'll just keep it simple. We'll call it Avery. We'll go A6 series, A6 international colors, and we'll say the first color is going to be a frame, so we'll say that's about 100%, okay? I always like to do my markup at 100%. And like I've mentioned before, wherever you see red rectangles, right click, set that as a default. I'm going to mark this up 100% also. That's just my practice. Some people do less, some people do more. And estimated waste I'll put at 10%. Set as default. Okay, so let me just enlarge this a little bit here so you can kind of see a little bit more what we're going to do. And it's quantity 1, and it's actually going to be double-sided. Okay. And your price may be lower than mine, but that's what my price is, based on my shop rate. And then over here, let's add our grommets. Grommets, I charge $1 each. And we got 4 grommets. And let's see if we have any H stakes down here. I don't think I have any H stakes here. It's as simple as this. Double click. H stakes, and I believe they are, let's see, what I do here is I'll go on ahead and just charge my price. Let me see, I'll just call them $5, okay? You're obviously going to have an accurate price compared to me, and then I'm going to increase that by 100%. Okay, so for one sign, like I said, my price is going to be way higher than yours, just because this is based off of my shop rate. It's $86.53. That's for vinyl. You have 2-color vinyl, so you have to load the machine, then you have to take it off, you have to weed them, then you have to load it with a different color, take it off, weed it, mask both of them, and apply both of them on 2 sides. So if you have a shop rate of $160 or whatever that is, you can't give it to them for $10. I mean, bottom line is you'll be paying them. So let's go on ahead, let's give this a name, because this is going to be a template. So we're going to call this Realty Sign 18 by 24 double-sided double-sided 18 by 24 double-sided 2-color vinyl. I'm just going to copy that, Control C, and I'm going to go to templates. This is the neat part. You go to templates, and let's say this was called Remax. Let's keep this real simple, okay? You can call it Realty Signs, or you can call it Remax. Bottom line is, what I mean by that is, like, if you have a realty company, they come to you for a lot, you don't have to call it Realty Sign. You can call it that company name. All right, but we'll take that off for now. We'll just leave it as a realty sign, because then we can appoint that to anyone. So let's go up to templates. We're not selecting one. We're going to save as a new template. We're going to save that information, and we're going to say continue. Template added. So now what happens is, if somebody comes through the door and they say, hey, listen, I need a realty sign, it's 2-color vinyl, 4 grommets, you can go right in here to your template area, you can select it, see the realty sign. You can open it up. You can double check everything and say, yep, that's the vinyl, that's this, that's everything I'm going to use. And then you can go on ahead and say add to job, and you can assign it to an existing customer if that's a repeat customer, or you can enter, if you continue, enter the new customer information. So templates are really, really good for helping you keep consistent pricing. It's just a great quick tool to make sure everybody's kind of doing the same thing or looking at the same thing. Hope you enjoyed this video. We have some more coming to you shortly.